Yo, and my kids in here, chilling. Yeah, I'm an online marketer now. When y'all forget, I was in the studio, man, doing my thing for 12 years. You see that award right here? Take the sounds, lay it down. Oh yeah, I think that's equipment over there. Hey, yo, it's your boy they call Trill. And you know I got to keep it real. And now I'm stacking cheddar cause I'm about them dollar bills. But you know my flow, it's still cold like the snow. But y'all better, I'm about to knock down the door. And I'm still coming with my online business. Understand, homeboy, you cannot get with this. But I keep it so smooth, I gotta keep it groove. Now I click a bigger mouse to the bigger house and we move. We keep the thing going. I come so hard coming down like it was snowing. But then your boy down in the TEX. And I do them things, gotta stack those checks. Oh yeah, I done made an income, baby. Then you look at me and you say that boy that went crazy. But it's all to the good cause my flow still tight. And I do this thing every single day and every night. Fight! Click the link below. Click the link below. Yeah, you wanna roll with me? Then click the link below. You wanna roll with C? Then click the link below. You wanna change your life? Then click the link below. That's how I do this now. Verse 2 freestyle on top of the dome. I'm about to take this thing cause I had to come back home. I used to be that boy out chilling in Cali. Down in Sacramento, 916 the Valley. But you know I'm down in my hometown now. We're kinda close to Tyler, but your boy still wild. But I got 3 kids over here just chilling. The boys over here, and they call me top billing now. I like this automated income off the internet. It's so easy that I don't even the intellect. I just pick a mouse and learn some skills. Then your boy know I can't really pay those bills. And I've been traveling all over the world. I've been playing places with my boys and my girl. And you know, that's how we do it. I'm about to stop the beat cause your boy's so blind. And I'm feeling nothing but heat. Go Spurs, go boys. And I'm doing this thing, homeboy playing with the toys. And I'm talking noise like you doing in Texas, man. I thought you homeboy, you know I'm repping this plan. And I keep it so smooth, you like in my groove. With no freestyle, man, I gotta keep moving. I'm about to stop the beat right now cause I'm about to, hey, take the sounds, man. Hey. This how you do this thing, man. Can take the sounds, man. Your boy Trill knows. I'm still up in this piece, man. Still up in this piece, man. Yeah. Can take the sounds, baby. Can take the sounds. Click the link below. Click the link below. Click the link below. That's how I say this thing, yeah. Click the link below. You know it's going down. So click the link below. I can't even say it right now. So click the link below. You know it's going down. So click the link below. I done made an income. Click the link below. Get some fat skills, man. Click the link below. You wanna change your life, man? Click the link below. You wanna save your wife, man? Click the link below. Peace. Click the link below. Woo! Take the sounds, baby. Yeah, we still up in here. My man Matt laid this track down. Take the sounds, baby. We still shaking the devil off. Woo! Yeah. I'm out.